this is my recipe for my Jell-O, okay? All right, so what I wanted to do is just come and show you because my sister wanted to see this, and I said, well, you know what, I know she wanted to see it, so let me just show her and whoever else would be interested in seeing it as well, how I do it. Okay, so I just get a sugar-free Jell-O, okay, of whatever flavor, and that's of course pick up whatever flavor. You don't have to use this one, but this is the one I use. I use the sugar-free brand because it's supposed to be less sugar. All right, so and also to that is I add LaCroix. Now this is a sparkling water. It is interesting to drink on its own, and I had bought like a case of them, and I'm like, how am I going to use these? So what I decided to do is add them into my Jell-O. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, and I have my boiling water here. All right, now you just follow the instructions that's on the box to do this. All right, so and it's really simple, crazy but it's simple, but it tastes really good. All right, so you will add the packet into your bowl. Sit down, my bye-bye. My son has decided to come and see what I'm doing. And the packet calls for 2 cups of water, and my water has been boiling, so I am going to measure out right at 2 cups. All right, sit that right there. Okay, so add your 2 cups of water to that, and it's going to be very hot, so be very careful and just immediately start to stir. Okay, now the water, when you add it to it, because it's hot, it's going to break it up, and it's going to like get it to dissolving. So oh, it smells so good, y'all. If y'all could just smell, I love the way Jell-O smells. My kids love it too. Okay, so immediately start to stir, but do it very, don't stir it fast. You don't want to spill it on yourself. All right, so I just open up 1 can of my LaCroix, and this is the lime flavor one. They come in different flavors. They come in grapefruit. I can't remember what the pink one is. I don't know if that's the grapefruit one or not. But I just add a whole can and kind of, pour it in gentle. Don't just dash it in there, okay? And that's it. That's all you do. And you just continue to stir until you feel that it's all stirred in really well. You don't see any little clumps of Jell-O, like little particles. Oh, see, there's some right there on the spoon. So you don't want that in there. You want to get it all stirred in really good, okay? You want to get it all stirred in. And you kind of can tell, see how it fizzes up? I'm telling you, if you want to amp up your Jell-O, stop. If you want to amp up your Jell-O and give it a really unique flavor, you can add like a can of Sprite to it as well. I've done that in the past, but because I had the LaCroix sparkling waters, I was like, I really need to use these up, and this is it's going to be really good. It's going to give your Jell-O a amped up flavor. So that's it. So put it in the refrigerator and let it chill until it sets up, and once you get it set up, dip it out. And I sprayed some whipped topping on top of mine, and that's it. That's it. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. And this is my version of my Jell-O with LaCroix. All right, thanks so much, guys. Bye.